Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a few camera tips and tricks for your CHUWI Hipad Max. So first, when you are in the standard photo mode, you can zoom in or zoom out with the slider. That's like very obvious, but you can also zoom in with your two fingers. Next, you can just click on the screen to catch the focus. It looks like that. Next, when you click on this icon, you can add some filters. As you can see, it's changing the color and the temperature on our photos. So yeah, that's the basic function. You can also use the volume buttons. They are located right here. So when you click on the volume up or volume down, you can just take the photos with these buttons. When you click and hold your shutter, we get the information that the long shot it's not enabled. So we can try to open the settings and see if it works right here. Yeah, it's not working, so let's move forward. We can turn off, for example, this shutter sound. You can also get, this shutter countdown when you click right here. So right now when you try to take the photo, okay, that's weird. We just turned it on, but it's not working. So let's go back to the settings. Yeah, let's go for the 2 seconds, for example. And right now we get this countdown on the screen. There's also other parameters right here. As you can see, I just turned it on, the series of the photos, but for some reason it doesn't work. Okay, right now it works. It's working. Take a look. I'm holding, this shutter is blinking, and when I open the photos, I can find, the different photos that I just take. So yeah, that's all camera tips and tricks for this device. Hope you like it.